today's video I'm going to show you how you can patch your audio in macOS Tahoe, and this one is the latest beta. And let me just pull this one up so I can show you that. So this is the beta 26.2 and the build number is 25C5037J, and this is the latest version. So and as you can see right here on top, I don't have an audio, and we're going to patch our audio using my text installer. And you need first of all to have the kernel debug kit. I've already downloaded it right here. You can see also the AppleHDA text. So let me just show you that right here in the sound I don't have anything. In the output and in the input right here I have the USB which I'm using to record the video. So the output is not there. And also in the Hackintosh you can see right here also we don't have anything right here. And yeah, so let me just show you what you need, the requirement. First of all, I'll leave all the link in the video description of this video. So you need to download my text installer by Miron, and also you need to download the kernel debug kit from the Dotania KDK support repository. So I'll leave all these links in the video description. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to after you just downloaded I've just downloaded the text installer, and if you open it right here you can see I have the kernel debug kit installed is the version 25C503I. So what you need to do to get the, also you need to have the CSR config active to be 03080000, and also you need to have the AppleHDA installed. So let me just pull up my EFI. So let's just mount EFI, and if you go to the device property you can see right here I've just added the layout ID of 12 in the audio, and on the NVRAM I did not add anything, so that's good. And also you need to have the AppleHDA right here, so that one is good. And what I'm going to do, but if it is your first time you'll just see something like this. If you can also download the KDK from here and it will just lead you to this page. So let me just uninstall the previous KDK, which is the, so you can see right here it has removed successfully. And the next thing you need to do, you need to add this new KDK. So just run this one, continue. And then close the, and as you can see, of course, right here you can see the KDK is installed, and this one is the latest version, which is corresponding with the macOS Tahoe version right here. You can see this one is 25C5037J, and also the same one in the kernel debug kit. So what you need to do, you need to come right here to install the text. So first of all, you need to extract the text right here. and then this one, just delete this one or move to trash. Let me just eject this one also, and I'll just move this one to trash again. So click here on install my text and you'll get this one. AppleHDA is not installed. We will try to install it now, and I'll click on yes. So after that, you'll get something like this. So let it just install it, and okay, so just installing the text on the background, as you can see. So here we go. It says that I need to choose where the text is. So it's on the desktop. I'll just click on here and then select the text. And as you can see right here, only AppleCast can be installed in system library extension. Third-party text are in library extension. So hit on OK. And let's wait for it again to just install the text, and then we will restart our Hackintosh, and then you can see if you get the audio. So let's wait for it. Okay, there we go. As you can see right now, it says reboot the system now. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to save the video first, and then I'll just reboot it. So this right now is 10:04. So let me just save the video, and we're back, guys. As you can see right here, we got our audio, and we have the internal speaker line out, and this one is for my monitor. So yeah, that's it for this short video, and let me just